Hi friends, this is my cat Tigra. She likes to do introductions with me. Well, today is a gloomy, rainy day in my neighborhood, so I'm going to be making a chocolate peanut butter drip cake. Let's do it! Can you say let's do it? Oh look, what's that? You have styrofoam on you. Yo! So I just disinfected my table after the cat was walking on it. So I baked off 4 9-inch round chocolate cakes. I'm just gonna level them out, fill them with chocolate buttercream, stack them up. Let's do it. So I already went ahead and doweled my cake. Next, I'm going to be doing a chocolate and vanilla stripe pattern on the outside of the cake and blending it all together. Before you go anywhere, don't forget to click that subscribe button. No, but for real, subscribe, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away an awesome Wilton cake decorating set. Tell your friends and family. That was my, that's my cat sneezing. Oh, I think she's got a little cold. So next I just went ahead and melted down some caramel. Ooey gooey caramel. Yum! So I'm just gonna let that sit and dry for a bit, and then I am going to flip the cake over. Yes, you heard it. Flip the cake over. Oh my god, he's crazy. Did you guys hear that? He's gonna flip it over. Yes, friends. I'm gonna flip it over. I might be setting myself up for a fail. But whatever. I melted down some chocolate. We're gonna fill a piping bag with it and do some drip on the top. So we're gonna go ahead and put another tier on top of this cake. I'm gonna level them out, fill them with buttercream, and stack it up. going to be making some chocolate peanut butter bark to go right on top of it, and then we're going to dress it up. Let's do it. So you want to get out the old parchment paper. Take my chocolate, just spread it out. So here it is, guys. Here is the ultimate chocolate peanut butter cake. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. Quick shout out to some of my new subscribers. Hold on here. Gotta put on the old reading glasses. All right, here. Shout out to Megan Malore, Meganod, Sarah James, Isabella Marie, Ruby, Amaro, Saman, and Cakes by Cass. I do have a little announcement to make. Nothing set in stone yet, but if you guys are cakers, you would definitely know of the Australian YouTube channel called ROSIES Dessert Spots. Rosie and I will be collaborating on a video in the very near future, so I'm so excited. I did link her channel below. Please check her out. I can't wait. She's awesome. That was my, oh, that's my cat sneezing. Oh.